Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
Hello friends, thank you for joining us. In today's video, we will share some ridiculously pretty bathroom design ideas that are sure to inspire your next remodel. The bathroom is my favorite place in the house, which probably explains why I spend so much time in them, right? But really, there's nothing better than a good bath or shower after a long day of work, school or whatever else it is you do all day. And although most people think that when they want a new bathroom they have to break the bank with expensive materials and fixtures, well, not anymore, because today we're talking about ridiculously pretty bathrooms without too much fuss. Now that we've covered what you want, let's look at some of the ridiculously pretty bathroom design ideas. Paint the walls a light color to make it feel more spacious. It's also better for the eyes. It will brighten up the room and make sure that your color choices on the wall play a bigger role. Next, using a flat white paint is always a good idea. I know you might be thinking, what about those gorgeous tiles? Trust me, this is going to look amazing. For one, flat paint is more durable and it's easier to clean. If you do use tiles, then definitely go with a matte finish because this will help the space feel less cluttered and busy. Sometimes the best bathrooms are the ones with nothing in them, well, except for maybe a mirror and some lighting. So why not bring back this simple design, but with a little twist? Use interesting wallpapers on your walls instead of plain paint or tiles so that there's still something going on there. It won't look too overbearing because you're just using wallpaper as an accent piece. Think of it like art for your walls. Plus, if you want to change things up later on, just take off the wallpaper. It won't damage the paint underneath. Now that you know that bathrooms don't have to be complicated, let's talk about flooring, because that is where shabby chic comes into play. I'm talking about hardwood floors here with the most adorable patterns. Go for something modern like this grey plank design and then just add some classic furniture with a pop of color on the cushions or throw pillows. Trust me, it'll look amazing. You can also do this in a child's room, especially if your little one loves everything white and simple, so it will really feel like they've grown up, almost haha. Now let's talk about storage spaces, because I know how important it is to have as much as you can in your bathroom, especially if it's a small one. I've got 3 words for you: floating shelves. You're going to love these. You can put them on any wall and even stack them up high or go with only one row, whatever suits your style best. They look good either way, so there will be no need to worry about whether they match the rest of the room because they'll blend right in thanks to their simple design. Now here's an idea for those who don't believe that modern bathrooms should be kept simple yet still want their space to look extra pretty. I'm talking about a Frappe bathroom. It may sound complicated, but I promise you that all you have to do is paint the walls white, then add some pretty accessories in pastel colors, which can be done by just changing up your throw pillows, towels and even shower curtain if you wanted. Don't forget to add a rug for extra color. This isn't going to be too girly or frilly, it's going to make your space look clean and fresh, which is always a good thing. And finally, you might not think of this as one of the ridiculously pretty bathroom design ideas, but trust me when I say that it looks fantastic. In fact, it will become your favorite look ever. This is Naha from Decor Shows again. Thanks for watching. So what do you think? Do you want to give one of these designs a try in your own bathroom? If so, leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We've got lots more videos coming to your way soon. Bye.